Well, lads, it's arrived. Let's do some unboxing. So, right, not many of these in the UK right now, so it's pretty exciting. I gotta crack this open very carefully. And very careful to cross this out. Oh yes. So, what have we got inside? That certainly looks like Chamsys. Darker blue than the other compact consoles. Oh yes. Very nice. And even just picking up the box before, it's just so lightweight. There's nothing to it. Still got the back. How long that's gonna last, I don't know. And there it is. It's not powered up yet, but let's have a quick look. So, flip it round. Oh, there we go. The back, lamp, Neuric True 1 power input. Even actual MIDI in, an LTC in, an actual network switch, the man's just squeeze one in. HDMI, USBs. Got a little box that comes with it as well, so you got your True 1 power cable, so you can keep plugging it. What else we got? Yeah, cover, proper cover. Right on. Yeah, a lamp. Very handy, even though on the new one, all these faders are backlit, even all the encoders are backlit too. Very cool. Manual. Just got to quickly show you the underside. This is actually quite clever now. So it does have a bit of a kickstand, but if you want more angle, you can bring that up, and it puts a pretty vicious angle on. Oh yeah, that's actually quite a nice angle. So we'll power this on. So one thing I noticed is that the faders feel totally different to the MQ40 ones. Just the fader knobs are much wider, but so much smoother, very smooth. Right, a power switch on the back. Here we go. Oh yeah, wow, display, beautiful. Yeah, that's pretty cool. So when your Grandmaster's down to 0, and you're wondering why you can't see any, but no lights are on. Flashes red. It goes blue when it's on. 100% red when it's further down. That's very cool. Oh man, just need to get the show file on and have a play.